In this video, I will show you exactly how to solve the problem of cPanel login problem. So as you can see here, it says, sorry, we have failed to log you into cPanel. Please try again or contact support. There are several options that you can use to be able to solve this problem. I was having the same problem, but as you can see here, I have logged into the cPanel. So that's why I also want to help you on how you can log into your cPanel if you are currently having the problem. Now, first of all, what causes this problem? Someone may ask. Now, what causes this problem is that maybe you have been logging in at a certain location and then you suddenly change the location. You know, when you change the location, your IP address will change, and the cPanel login is related to the IP address location, the location, the IP address of your location. So when you change the location where you have been logging in and you try to log in, once the IP address changes, you will have this problem where you will not be able to log in. There are several ways that you will solve this problem. For me, this is how I solved it. I simply went back to the location. I've been logging in at my office and I went to the house and tried logging in. That's where I had the problem. So I simply waited, and when I came back to the office, then I just logged in and then it didn't give me that problem again. That's the first, that is the first option. If you can go back, or if you are, at least if it is okay for you, then you can go back to the location, or if it will be convenient for you to go back to the location where you normally log in. When you get back to that location, when you log in, this problem will be solved. That's one of the problems. That's one of the solutions. If you don't want that particular one, there are other options that I will help you. One is you download this browser called Tor browser. You download this browser. Okay, so you download and install this browser and try. So what this Tor browser does is that it is more or less like it protects you. It keeps you can change your IP address, or it will help. It will prevent your browser from trying to check to know the exact location or your IP address. So in that case, when you install the Tor browser, even when you change your location, your cPanel, okay, your cPanel, the internet connection, your network will not be able to determine exactly your location, okay, your location, and therefore the IP address. So when they are not able to determine the IP address, it will not affect you logging into your cPanel, because you know the cPanel login is related to the IP address. So once Tor browser will protect you from the whichever company is hosting your website. And so your cPanel, that particular website that is hosting your that you are hosting your website on, where the cPanel is located, they will not be able to determine exactly the location you are in, and therefore they won't determine your IP address, and so therefore it will not prevent you from logging into your cPanel. So you will need to use a Tor browser. Okay. So if you use the Tor browser, if you download and install the Tor browser, and then you see that the problem is still the same, then I'll move on to the third option. So the third option is that you can contact support. So you scroll down, you come back. This one is Namecheap, for example. So when you scroll down, you see chat with live person. When you click on it, you can fill the form and chat with live support, and they will help you get a solution to your problem. So if you take time to follow this procedure, you will get a solution to whatever problem you're facing. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell and like this video for other more powerful videos. Once again, see you in the next video. Bye.